everyone, and welcome back to the Local Business Love Series. I'm excited to have a special guest and friend on our series today. Welcome, Cat.
Thanks, Erin, for having me.
Yeah, so we have Cat Chakales with Brank Insurance, and we are excited to learn a little bit more about her and what she does in our community. So, what attracted you to the insurance industry?
Well, I am a second generation owner at Brank Insurance. So part of it was my parents, but more importantly was the program at Appalachian State. I was a graduate of the risk management and insurance program there. And so having a major in insurance really set me up for a great career in insurance.
That's wonderful. I didn't even know they had that program there, so that's good to know.
It's actually pretty unusual. It's not something that a lot of college students have a strong calling for, but we're really lucky to have a lot of support at App State, and it was a really great experience.
Great. So do you work independently?
We do. We are an independent agent and part of the Trusted Choice Network, which means that we get to work for our clients and not for an insurance company in particular. So we work with several different insurance companies to be able to find the best fit for our clients based on what they need.
Okay. Sounds foreign to me. Insurance is, I don't know, it's very complicated, but I know you're wonderful at it and I've heard great things about you.
Well, thank you. I say it takes a special kind of weirdo to love insurance the way I do.
That's awesome. At least she's real, guys. So what's the biggest reason a person would need insurance besides like a flood, a fire, auto?
That's a really great question. One of the things that we like to educate our clients on is the liability portion of your home and auto insurance. And so the way I like to think of that is if you were to cause bodily injury or property damage to someone or something else, your homeowner's policy or your auto insurance policy can help cover things. So a great example would be if you rented a home at the beach or in the mountains and maybe had an accident there, like our family had one time when my brother set ablaze the beach house cabinets on a fish fry evening. Our homeowner's insurance was able to come into play and help with that claim. Or if, for example, you lost control of your shopping cart in the middle of the parking lot at the grocery store, your auto insurance could go to pay for that as well.
Good examples. I like that. What is something that people ask you, like, have you ever had an amazing experience with a big sale?
I definitely have had those moments where I got to use my background as an underwriter from my time at Liberty Mutual, underwriting commercial insurance, to be able to help our fellow small business partners in the community with their insurance needs. So being able to use that knowledge is really helpful.
Great. Are you accessible after hours? I know most insurance companies, I would think you work maybe 9 to 5, but are you accessible?
We certainly are. So anytime you call our office and leave a voicemail or send us an email directly, we're able to receive that and communicate back, whether that be after hours, on a weekend, on a holiday. So we're certainly available.
Great. Tell me what is, like if I have a major event in my home and someone falls in my home, would my homeowner's insurance cover that?
Certainly. So there are a couple coverages that could come into play. One of those would be the medical payments coverage, which is built in to all homeowners policies in North Carolina automatically. And that limit could vary. So I would suggest checking that with your insurance carrier or agent. But there is some medical payments. And there's also, if things got very large and a lawsuit were to be involved, that's where your liability would come into play as well.
Great. So it sounds like Miss Cat knows what she's talking about and would be a great resource for you if you're looking for insurance or if you have questions. I will be able to tag her and give all her information, so you guys reach out. Thank you so much for coming on today.
Certainly.
And I have one more question for you.
Yes.
What is something you like to do when you are not dealing in insurance?
So when I'm not dealing in insurance, my first love, I really enjoy doing green thumb activities. I have a growing plant collection and really like hanging out with my plants, and also really enjoy crafting. My grandmother used to have a craft store over in West Asheville, and so I've been a long time craft maker.
Great. Well, I've enjoyed you coming on the show and getting to know a little bit more about you.
Yes, thank you so much for having us. We really enjoy getting to be a part of our community here in Asheville and partnering with people such as yourself, and really just getting to share some of the knowledge that we have with others. And of course, all of our services come at no charge, so we love to do free quotes and give free information to anybody that might need help or have questions with their insurance.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Erin.
Yeah, and if you guys want to come on the series, reach out to me here at Radius, and we'll see you next week.